Welcome back. Today we're diving into the critical technique of combustion chamber edge blending in cylinder head porting. Edge blending involves lightly smoothing sharp edges where the intake and exhaust ports meet the combustion chamber. These casting irregularities can create hot spots and hinder efficient air and fuel movement. The primary goal here is to promote even flame propagation across the entire chamber during combustion. A smooth transition allows the flame to spread more uniformly, maximizing power and reducing the chance of detonation. To do this right, you'll need specific tools, typically ball nose or pointed carbide burrs. Ball nose burrs are excellent for broad blending and creating radius transitions. Pointed burrs allow for more precision in tight corners and the deepest parts of the junction. Precision is key. We want to blend, not reshape the entire chamber or remove excessive material. Before you start, ensure you have proper eye and respiratory protection. Metal shards are no joke. Use a light touch. Let the tool do the work as you follow the contour of the junction. Focus on removing the sharpness rather than changing the fundamental geometry of the port. Excessive removal can lead to a drop in compression or changes in flow characteristics you didn't intend. Maintaining a steady hand and consistent speed is vital for a professional finish. Using a bit of lubricant can help manage heat and keep the burr from loading up with material. Stop frequently to clean the area and inspect your progress under good lighting. You should see a smooth radius transition where there was once a sharp ridge. Notice the difference. The raw casting is jagged, while the blended edge is aerodynamic. Smoothing these edges significantly reduces the risk of pre-ignition and hot spots. You don't need a mirror polish, but a consistent smooth surface is the goal. Remember, this is blending, not full-scale porting. We're refining the existing path. It's important to keep the volume consistent across all chambers on the head. Use precise measurements to ensure each cylinder is performing identically. One final check to ensure no burrs or sharp points remain. Thoroughly clean the head to remove all metal shavings before reassembly. This small step can lead to noticeable gains in engine efficiency and longevity. Once clean, your head is ready for valves and final assembly. To recap, identify the sharp edges, use the right burrs, keep a light touch, and inspect often. A well-prepared combustion chamber is the heart of a high-performance engine. Thanks for watching. Get out there, be precise, and happy porting.